Hi, I'm Amy from Amy's Blinds on Marco Island. I'd like to talk to you about the variety of roller shades and screen shades we have to offer from Hunter Douglas. This shade here is a roller screen shade. As you can see right through and out the window while it's down. Roller screen shades are a great option to have down here in Florida because they allow us to maintain our view to the outside, our beautiful views that we have, while reducing the glare and UV on the inside of our home and on our furniture, or maybe if you have a TV nearby a window. These roller screen shades come in a variety of openness factors ranging from 0%, which would be like complete room darkening, you can't see through it. It can come in 3%, 5%, 14%, 10%. I mean, the more openness factor you have, the more view through you have, but it cuts down on your UV blockage. These screen shades are great during the day, but just keep in mind that at night, if you have them down and you have a light on inside, the view reverses, so you don't have privacy with these shades at night if you plan on using them for privacy, but they're great during the day. They come in a variety of operating systems. I have an endless cord here, which is a manual operating system with a cord. They come with power view, light rise, ultra glide systems. The roller and screen shades come with two different types of cassette options. They roll up into these cassettes here. This is an example of a small square cassette. It also comes in a large square cassette, a small and large round cassette as well. So we can customize to your windows and your taste as you like. While we're talking about the roller screen shades, a similar option is also just the roller shade. We have a variety of different fabrics and textures and opacities for you to choose from. You can have room darkening roller shades, you can have sheer roller shade, as well as roller shades that are just light filtering or even room darkening. If you'd like to learn more about the variety of screen shades or roller shades we have to offer, I'd be happy to show you our wide selection of fabrics and colors.